Here we go, rocking and rolling. Lesson 3, the last couple videos of 2021, making sure that we understand this last section. Get ready for our final exams. 8th graders, hopefully good luck. Do what you gotta do. Hopefully you're getting the tutorials you need. My freshman kiddos, final exams all of next week. Make sure you're prepared. Definitely stay for tutorials if you need to. Do what you got to do. Let's take care of business. Not all statements are made equal. This is going to be an excellent lesson. Starting with the warm-up first. Solving each statement for X. 1 and 2, I gave you a promise. We will use Math Solver. Calculator. Wonderful. We all should have this TID 84 plus. I know a lot of the high schools have them. 8th graders, hopefully you have them. If not, you'll be okay for next year. Now, we did solve 1 and 2 by hand. Right here, we will apply the calculator. It's going to make it a little bit easier to check our work. Okay. Zoom out a little bit. First statement is x plus 1 equals 6. We should be able to solve this fairly easily, but of course I do want to show you. Clicking this math button. After math, making sure we're under math, we click the up button and you see B solver. Click enter. The equal sign is what is dividing this equation solver, okay? X plus 1 on the top, 6 on the bottom. X is right here next to alpha. X plus 1. Go down to the bottom. 6. Make sure you go to OK by pressing enter. You see the exact same equation right there. The answer is not 0. You have to press alpha, enter. Alpha, enter. Our answer is 5. Terrific. Pretty straightforward. I love it. Pretty easy. Very cool things. The next 2 examples, we can use Math Solver, but I'm going to put a star next to number 4 because while we can use Math Solver, there is going to be an issue. So number 4, I'll leave it to the end. Go back. X minus 2. X minus 2. And then 5. Alpha, enter. X is 7, but right here we do have a different symbol, so I'm going to keep that symbol. X is greater than 7. Again, this is greater. We'll talk more about that in just a second. I'm going to clear it. X over 3. A lot of us might not know how to put a fraction. Make sure you're paying attention to this little section. To put a fraction in your calculator, you do have to press alpha, y equals first one, enter, have that fraction, x on the top, 3 on the bottom, going downstairs, -1, not -1. Minus is right here, negative is down here, -1. Looks exactly like my third problem, looks pretty good. Then I click alpha, enter. Right here, it's going to be -3. Of course, the calculator, for some reason, is not getting this whole number, but we should be able to round -3. Keep that symbol for right now. Sorry, keep that symbol for right now. X is less than or equal to -3. Okay. Zooming on this last one. Now, I know our go-to for a lot of us is going to be checking our answers with Math Solver, but for right here, this little star, whenever I have a -x on the left side, I do have to flip this sign. So before even checking my work, solving all this great stuff, I do have to flip it to less than. So put a little note right here, negative axis, flip symbol. Very, very important. So make sure you flip that symbol. And now we could check our work with Math Solver just to make sure we have a better understanding after we solve it by hand. Going upstairs, clearing it. Says negative x, negative x. Next door is a 4. Alpha, enter. Answer is negative 4. So I get to put x is less than negative 4. Very, very important. Negative numbers, flip the symbol. Talk about it in the next video.